Hello, SVG fans. Tim with Nelson Roofing. I want to take a moment and thank Anthony and the SVG team for their amazing impact and contributions in revolutionizing our industry. Whether you're new to this industry or you've been working in it for years like myself, Nelson Roofing's been in business for 38 years. I have personally been in the industry since 1988. I've seen a lot of things come and go, a lot of gimmicks, a lot of stuff that people tried, spent their hard-earned money on, and it never worked. I've never seen anything as useful, informing, and tangible as SVG. Last year when the storm in Phoenix was epic. Get your tickets for New Orleans, March 31st through April 2nd. This will be your best investment of the year for your business, your team, and yourself. I hope to see you in New Orleans for SVG Win the Storm. Thanks, Anthony.